Digital marketing refers to the practice of promoting products, services, or brands using various online platforms and channels. It encompasses a wide range of techniques and strategies aimed at reaching a target audience, engaging with them, and driving desired actions or conversions. Here are some key aspects and activities involved in digital marketing. Online advertising. This involves placing paid advertisements across different digital platforms such as search engines, social media, websites, and mobile apps to increase brand visibility and drive traffic. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO focuses on improving a website's visibility and ranking in organic, non-paid search engine results. It involves optimizing website content, structure, and performance to increase its chances of appearing higher in search engine rankings. Content marketing. Content marketing aims to attract and engage a target audience by creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content. This can include blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, ebooks, and more. Social media marketing. This involves using social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others to build brand awareness, engage with followers, and promote products or services. It includes both organic, non-paid, and paid social media activities. Email marketing. Email marketing involves sending targeted emails to a list of subscribers with the goal of nurturing relationships, promoting products or services, and driving conversions. It can be used for various purposes like newsletters, promotional offers, event invitations, and more. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing leverages the popularity and influence of individuals or content creators with large followings on social media. Brands collaborate with influencers to promote their products or services to their followers. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. PPC advertising involves placing ads on search engines or other platforms and paying only when a user clicks on the ad. It is commonly used in search engine advertising, display advertising, and social media advertising. Analytics and data analysis. Digital marketing relies on gathering and analyzing data to measure the effectiveness of campaigns, track user behavior, and make informed decisions. Web analytics tools help monitor website traffic, conversions, user engagement, and other metrics. These are just a few examples of the many components of digital marketing. The field is dynamic and constantly evolving as new technologies and platforms emerge, requiring marketers to stay updated with the latest trends and strategies. Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication. This includes not only email, social media, and web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia messages as a marketing channel.